Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes sticky notes not working in Windows 11 fixed. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Sticky Notes, click Advanced Options. Click Repair. If same error still exists, click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Open Microsoft Store. Click Apps, type Sticky Notes in search bar. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.